Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to know more about a team on the 433 football application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, tap on the menu button down below and click on matches. After that, select a date from the schedule and tap on the team you are interested in at the top of the screen. And here you can find two sections, season and squad. So in the season section you can get to note the seasonal stats, matches played, goals, yellow cards and red cards that this particular team received. You can also check the championships. If you tap on the see all button, you can check them out all, such as the total home and away charts. As you scroll down, you can also get more information about the upcoming matches. If you are interested in any of them in more detail, tap on the match itself. You can check out the overview, the lineup and match information, and you can make your prediction about the match too. So that's how you can get to know to a team. That's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.